So the first thing I did was remove this, which, yes, I have to remove it because I'm not going to need that. You do not want anything on top of the fireplace, so I will be taking this off. So now that I took it off, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the mirror. I'm not gonna be using the mirror. As you guys can see, it's kind of ugly from the top, but I will be covering it. And this is the back. I just removed the staples from the back, and I will be removing the mirror. I'm gonna take it off and just use the back. This is how it looks without the mirror. I will be using the back. So now what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to wipe this whole thing off. Make sure you wipe it with water and soap. You want to get in between all the cracks and just remove all the dirt. Make sure you just clean it really, really good. And now this chalk paint I'm in love with. This is like my main chalk paint that I will be using. I love this chalk paint from Rust-Oleum. I don't know if I said that right. I'm gonna be using this brush paint that I did get from Amazon. I will leave all the links below that I'm using. I'm gonna go ahead and give it one coat, and then I'm gonna wait another 10 minutes because this dries really fast, but I'm gonna wait 10 minutes and come back again and add another coat. So this is the final look. I'm about to do my little retouch. Well, here's Junior helping me out do the final retouch on the sides and the bottom because my back started hurting. But this is how it's looking, and I love all the details about this mirror. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I brought it inside to see where exactly I'm gonna put it at. So what I'm gonna be doing now, I'm gonna go ahead and paint the board all white, and I'm gonna leave just a little bit for the black board that I got from Dollar Tree. And I'm gonna go ahead and leave it here in the living room because it looks cute. It's gonna look so cozy right next to my TV. So I left a small space. I didn't have to paint the whole thing because I will be putting in the black board to give it that fireplace look. I got this black board from, was like actually like a paper board that I got from Dollar Tree, and I also got these from Dollar Tree. They're actually like frames. The reason why I got these because they're really sturdy, and I just went and I painted them white, and I also glued them together. I got like about 6 of these. I measured it and just bought 6 to make, this is gonna be like the top of it. So you see these letters here, I wasn't able to remove them. They were so hard to take off, but that's okay because I will be covering it. This is just temporary because I will buy like a whole wood to add on top. But this was really cheap. It was only $6 from Dollar Tree. So I just painted it and I left it like that because I will be covering it. So this is the final look. I'm actually done painting everything white. Now the only last part, what I'm gonna do, I'm trying to figure out if I should leave it standing up or facing the other way to make it look like a fireplace. I think I like it better like this, so I'm gonna go ahead and just paint the rest of it because I think it gives it a better look if I put the board this side. So I'm gonna go ahead and just paint it. Well, I haven't really decided how, but I think I like the other way. So now that I painted the back, I'm gonna go ahead and place this with some hot glue gun. Make sure it doesn't go nowhere, and just get the corners really good so you won't be able to tell that it's actually a really fake fireplace from a distance. I hope you guys are liking this video. Make sure you guys give it a thumbs up if you guys like it. I have so much things right now to do. But yeah, I'm still not done with the fireplace. Sorry guys, that recording was from the day I was doing it. Today is a new day. I'm doing a voiceover. The reason why is because I have a baby and he's so loud. But here it is, almost the final look. It's looking really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and be using these L's to attach it to the wall, just in case the kids are around or anybody's trying to like party hard in my house. You know, I got a lot of crazy people here. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use those L's. Okay, another thing I want to share with you guys is these cute candles that I got from Dollar Tree. They're only $1. I love them. What I was thinking about doing is making like a cute, so I was thinking about using the candles to put it right next to the fireplace with some candle holders, because they look really nice. Actually, I like how they light up. They look really cute. This is how it looks in the dark. Yeah, you guys, I was thinking about getting like maybe 6 of these and putting it like right above there, with like just making some long, small, medium size candle holders and just putting it right in front of the black board. Something like that, I could say, but a little bit longer, so it could give it like that cozy look. But I did find another thing, like a poster in Amazon, that I might be replacing it with this black board. It has like that fireplace look. Guys, I'm in love with it. I love how it came out. I hope you guys liked it too. I can't wait though to replace that black board with this Amazon peel and stick fireplace. So I hope you guys like this fireplace, and I hope you guys give it a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel because I have so much more coming. Thanks for watching.